Hey everyone, this is Rich Daisley with Surgent Accounting Financial Education. In 2022, the Auditing Standards Board of the AICPA made a couple of important pronouncements, replacing our current quality control standards with two new quality management standards. These new standards significantly increase the requirements of a firm's system of quality management. Though they're not going to be effective until the end of 2025, implementing these two new standards, as well as the related SAS with regard to financial statement audits, is going to require a lot of work for firms that are involved in the attestation process. Now's the time to get yourself up to speed and enhance your understanding of what's going to be required in these two new standards and how they differ from our existing standards in QC section number 10. In Surgent's 2-hour webinar, QMS 2, we're going to go through a deep review of the new requirements of Quality Management Standard 1 and Quality Management Standard number 2, as well as the new requirements of SAS 146, once again, all becoming effective in 2025. While it seems like it's a long time before we have to implement these standards, as we know in our profession, time goes fast with all the other new guidance that we have to deal with. And now's the time to get yourself up to speed on these two new and incredibly important standards for which all accounting firms will have to deal with over the next couple of years. You can register for QMS2 at thesurgencpe.com.